Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. And for those who just came across my channel, I'm a marketing strategist, help your business grow and also, you actually grow a sustainable income. In today's video, I will show you a way how to trim your video with Camtasia. Remember that we do a couple of videos about, we have like a couple of tutorials going on recently, so you need to watch the previous one and also go to the playlist. But this is a simple way. Remember that you have a video ready here, then here is, as I say, that you can open your video. If you want, for example, then close, like you can see the whole video, the duration of the video, and then you have this one. So if you want, for example, to delete something from the beginning, what you do is you do that, go on the left hand side with the green, and then you cut it off. Let's say that you have a small, you can also see here, you can actually let it play if you want to, and then accordingly go on the left and on the right what you want to do. This is one way how to do it. And remember that if you want to have a mistake, if you have done, a mistake, then again, you can go here. Usually in the long videos, when you have tutorials or you're selling courses or you have a big presentation, you can open that up. And then as you can see here on the timeline, you can have everything like by second, so it's easy for you to delete accordingly. There is so many ways to do the editing, but Camtasia is so simple. And remember that we have so many tools today that we're trying to use. And don't forget, again, go plus or minus here and then save it. When you're done, remember to export the video and call local files, whatever, save the videos. I always say that you need to prepare your videos in advance, do a little bit of research. So this is a simple way. And remember that we have this first line if you want to add any other animations or whatever. So if you want to delete something, again, go there on the right, you can play it, so that thing is going to start playing, and then you can decide. And again, you go plus and minus to see here by second. This is the best thing if you want to delete and you make a mistake and you don't know how to delete a specific or any other thing, like you are a bit struggling and say, oh my god, it's a lot of work, but you need to learn how to master editing in Camtasia or in any other recording. So that's it for today, guys. Please like this video, comment below, and I wish you well.